Hi, this is Sarah from The Savvy Professor. In today's video, we'll talk about how to fix your Defy washing machine's EA error code. But first, what does the EA error code mean? Your Defy washing machine's EA error code indicates an issue related to the motor. It usually occurs when you have a faulty motor or loose belt. The following are some of the common causes of the EA error code. Unbalanced load. An unbalanced load affects the stability of your washing machine. Should this problem persist, it may damage your motor, resulting in the EA error code. A faulty belt. As mentioned, if the belt driving the drum is slipping or worn out, it'll lead to an EA error. A faulty motor. A faulty motor is another cause for the EA error code. A washing machine's motor produces the mechanical energy needed to agitate, spin, and drain the machine. Now, let's look at the best solutions you can apply to fix the EA error code. Balance the load. Loading your washer so it stays balanced is easy. Here are a few tips to get you started. Mix heavy and light items. Distribute your clothes evenly in the drum. Avoid overloading the washer with too many clothes. Wash large items separately. Replace the worn-out belt. Unplug your washing machine and turn off the water supply. Remove the access panel from the back or bottom of the machine to access your machine's pulley system. Locate the belt and remove it. It's the wide rubber strip located around the gears. If you're uncertain, consult your manual. To remove the belt, loosen the adjustment screws to reduce the tension and slip it off the pulley. Thread the new belt around the pulleys. Replace the access panel and plug in your washing machine. Test the machine. Replace the motor. Unplug your washing machine and shut off the water supply. Remove the belt attached to the motor and drum pulley. Unscrew the bolts that fasten the motor to the washing machine. Remove the wiring and ease the motor out. Align the new motor, reconnecting the wiring and bolt it in. Reinstall the belt and plug in your machine to test it before reinstalling the back panel. Consult a technician if you're unsure about how to replace the motor. Remember, faulty repairs will create more problems and will void your warranty. Thanks for watching. Till next time.